how to change the face smoothness, tone, jawlines, and eyes when taking a picture on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the photo tab at the bottom. Then, tap on the control button here. And then we swipe across and select the face icon. And here you can adjust the smoothness and the tone, jawline, as well as the eyes. So tap on the items that you want to change, and then we use the slider bar at the bottom here to change the strength of the filter. So here we can swipe across to have maximum smoothness, as well as the tone, the jawline, and the eyes. Okay, so if you want to reset the settings, you can tap on the cross button there, or sometimes there is a button that you can close. Okay, so you can also turn it off if you don't want to use beauty mode. You can tap on the face icon to switch it off altogether. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.